Hey aficionados, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about smartphones manufacturing in the US. Your next iPhone could cost $3,000. Not because Apple got greedy, but because of one simple government policy. Let me explain why smartphone tariffs might be the worst idea ever. Here's the thing nobody talks about. America makes 0 smartphones. Not one. Every iPhone, Samsung, and Google Pixel is manufactured overseas, mostly in China. So when politicians suggest tariffs to bring manufacturing back, they're basically saying, let's tax something that has no domestic alternative. That's not protection. That's just a really expensive tax on you. Industry experts say manufacturing iPhones in America would triple the cost. Why? American workers earn 10 times more than Chinese factory workers. That's not a criticism. It's just economics. But it gets worse. Your iPhone has over 1,000 components from dozens of countries. Apple spent 20 years building this supply chain. You can't just move that to Ohio overnight. Don't believe me. In 2013, Motorola tried made in USA smartphones. They abandoned it in 2 years because the economics were impossible. So what actually happens with smartphone tariffs? You pay more, but no American jobs are created because there's no American smartphone industry to help. A $3,000 iPhone doesn't create jobs. It just makes smartphones unaffordable. And since phones are essential for work and education, expensive phones hurt the entire economy. Plus, if iPhones become crazy expensive, people will just buy cheaper alternatives. So you might accidentally hurt American companies while helping their competitors. Here's what's wild. America still dominates smartphones where it matters most. The software, chip design, and innovation, all American. Apple's investing $600 billion in the US, but it's going to research and development, not manufacturing. The future might be different. As automation improves, manufacturing location matters less. But that takes time. You can't force it with tariffs. Look, wanting to bring jobs back makes sense. But smartphone tariffs show why good intentions don't always lead to good outcomes. Sometimes the cure really is worse than the disease. The reality? Global supply chains exist because they work. Breaking them overnight through tariffs could cost consumers thousands while creating 0 jobs. What do you think? Are there better ways to help American manufacturing? Let me know in the comments. And if this opened your eyes to trade policy, smash that like button and subscribe for more. May the force be with you. See you in the next video.